Welcome back to Takeaway Tuesday, where I make something cool in 2 minutes or less. Today, we're doing a kick-ass grilled cheese. A seasonal grilled cheese, if you will. Ingredients below. Okay, so I've got some marble rye here. I think it's a really underused bread by anyone under the age of 75. I think it should be used more. Oh shoot, this is gonna take up the entire 2 minutes. Okay, so you're going to butter the outside of each piece. Your fingers. Once you've got that, we are going to sauce up the inside with some mayonnaise, full fat, much better, and some mustard. Okay. Then we're going to put a layer of cheese. Let's be generous here. Come on. Come on, you. We're gonna have some salami. This is a winter salami. It's Hungarian. So what they're doing is they're using up all the stuff in their larders that are having to, I don't know what I'm saying. It's Hungarian. I'm Hungarian, so it's delicious. I have some red onions here that I put into an ice bath. The ice bath takes away the harshness of the red onion. So it's just gonna be a gentle onion flavor. This is really good for people who don't like onions. I do this before I make any of my salads as well, Greek salads and stuff. Some hot peppers. Really yummy. Then we're doing basil. Full leaves of basil instead of lettuce. Oh my God. Big ones, big boys. Be generous. Then we're doing another layer of cheese. Sure. Pepper. Okay. Over to our handy dandy panini press. Still has some bacon grease in it. You're gonna throw that on there. Ready? And down. That's gonna be about 2 minutes on there and then it's done. If you don't have a panini press, use a frying pan with some butter in it. Non-stick works best if you're doing a grilled cheese and you don't want all that stickiness. There you have it. My perfect grilled cheese. Oh my God. I don't even want to bite into it, it's so good.